Hello, this video is about odds. So we talked previously about probabilities and now we are moving into odds. So the odds of event A happening are simply the probability that A happens divided by the probability that A does not happen. So in other words, the odds of A happening are the probability that A happens divided by 1 minus the probability that A happens. So let's look at an example. Say that every time I go mountain biking, there's a 20% chance I will crash. What are the odds that I will crash? So we are going to apply this equation right here. And if A is the event that I crash, then the probability of A equals 0.2 according to the sentence up here. So then the odds of crashing are probability of A divided by 1 minus probability of A. Probability of A is 0.2. And 1 minus the probability of A is 0.8. So 0.2 divided by 0.8 is 0.25, or 1 in 4. Okay, so we have the odds of me crashing. What are the odds that I do not crash? So first we'll simply go through using the equation up here, just like we did in example 1, but now we're going to do the odds of me not crashing. So let's have B denote the event that I do not crash. We know from up here, there's a 20% chance I will crash, meaning that there's an 80% chance I will not crash, so the probability of B is 0.8. Then the odds of me not crashing are 0.8 divided by 1 minus 0.8, or in other words, 0.8 divided by 0.2, which is 4. Now, we didn't have to go through that whole calculation again. We could have actually done this a simpler way. We could notice that we just have a ratio of two probabilities and we ended up flipping it. So what we can do is take the number from part example 1 and do 1 divided by that number to get the odds for example 2. So in other words, 1 divided by 0.25 is 4. And so we can see that these two are related by just having the number 1 divided by one of these odds provides the other odds. So that's a shortcut. If we know one of the odds, if we know the odds for event A, then we can find the odds for the event A complement very easily.